In today's video, I'm going to teach you how Monarch Money works in Canada. This financial tool is becoming increasingly popular, so let's dive right in and explore its features and see how well this service caters to Canadian users. First off, you'll want to click on the Canadian Features and Limitations section. Monarch Money has designed specific features tailored to meet the needs of Canadian users, while also understanding the limitations involved. This section gives a comprehensive overview, helping you grasp just how well the program integrates with regional financial systems. Next, explore the Bank Connections area. Monarch Money excels in connectivity, supporting several Canadian financial institutions through data aggregators such as Plaid and MX. This means you can connect major banks like RBC, Scotiabank, EQ Bank, and Wealthsimple seamlessly. Tip: ensure that your bank is supported to get the best experience from Monarch Money. Another critical feature to consider is currency and localization. Even though the service is available in Canada, it's important to note that billing is conducted in US dollars. This could have implications for you in terms of currency conversion fees and exchange rate fluctuations, so it's wise to keep a close eye on your billing to manage any additional costs that may arise. For financial institutions not directly connected, the manual entry function is invaluable. It allows you to manually input assets and liabilities, ensuring that you have a full, accurate financial picture. This is particularly beneficial for creating a complete overview if some of your accounts aren't supported by the tool's linking capabilities. If you're just starting out, look into the trial and pricing options. Monarch Money offers a 7-day free trial, allowing you to explore its features fully before committing. After the trial, the premium plan comes at $14.99 a month or annually at $99.99 in USD. Look out for promotional codes, as they can often provide discounts, making this service more affordable. One of the key benefits of using Monarch Money is accessing the Pros section, which outlines its various strengths, like providing a comprehensive financial overview. It pulls together your bank accounts, investments, and liabilities into one unified display, which greatly simplifies financial management. Speaking of organization, the goal setting and budgeting feature is incredibly useful. Users can set financial goals and customize budgets, which is crucial for tracking progress and ensuring that you're on the right financial path. Furthermore, Monarch Money offers collaboration features. This unique aspect allows you to share your financial information with trusted individuals, facilitating easier joint financial planning, which is great for families or partners managing finances together. However, some users have reported bank connectivity issues with certain institutions, which is something to be aware of. Keeping an eye on these potential challenges can help mitigate any disruptions in service. Lastly, remember that while Monarch offers a free version, it is quite limited compared to the premium plan, and being cognizant of currency billing implications is also crucial due to the USD pricing. Thank you for joining me in exploring how Monarch Money works in Canada. I hope this helps you navigate your financial needs with greater ease and efficiency.